Top 10 essay topics about nature versus nurture. Learning among children. This essay should investigate the balance between innate abilities, nature, and environmental factors, nurture. Discuss how genetics and educational opportunities shape children's learning outcomes. What is the role of their upbringing? You can also suggest strategies for optimizing children's learning potential. As Nature Made Him, The Boy Who Was Raised as a Girl, Summary and Analysis. As Nature Made Him, The Boy Who Was Raised as a Girl is a book written by John Colapinto. In an essay about this work, you can explore the profound implications of nature and nurture on human development and conventional beliefs. What makes gender identity formation so complex? Alcoholism, Nature versus Nurture Debate. In this paper, you can examine the relationship between genetic predispositions and environmental influences contributing to alcoholism. Analyze the latest research and theories. What is the nature of this disease? We suggest you propose strategies for its prevention and treatment. Human development, nature or nurture? How do genetic predispositions and environmental factors influence different aspects of human development? Explore the impacts on physical, cognitive, and socio-emotional domains. Analyze how these factors make every individual unique. Nature versus nurture, New Science Stirs Debate How Behavior is Shaped. Article Review. Nature versus Nurture is an article from The Wall Street Journal written by Jonathan Rockoff. The author investigates if nature or nurture impacts the development of individual behavioral differences the most. In your paper, you may review it and analyze the main points. Physical and mental well-being. This essay should explore the factors contributing to our overall wellness. Analyze the impact of nurture and nature factors, such as genetic predispositions and lifestyle choices, on physical and mental health. What is the role of environmental factors and social support systems? The effects on child development. In this paper, you should review the impacts of genetic predispositions and family dynamics on the development of children. What is the role of socio-cultural aspects and educational experiences? You can also explain the significance of understanding the interaction between nature and nurture. Violent behavior, nature versus nurture. This paper may discuss the causes of violence to investigate its origins. Some of them are genetic predispositions, early life experiences, societal influences, and psychological factors. We also suggest you analyze the methods for prevention and intervention. The role of nature and nurture in human homosexuality. In this essay, you might examine the relationship between nature and nurture factors concerning human homosexuality. Some of them are genetics, hormonal influences, societal attitudes, and individual experiences. Explore how we can promote the understanding and support for diverse sexual orientations. Gender and socialization. This essay may explore the interaction between societal norms and biological factors. How are gender roles and expectations shaped and internalized? Discuss how we can challenge stereotypes and promote gender equality.